Special English Economics Report Business is the most popular subject for international students in the United States. At last, around 21% of foreign students at American colleges and universities were studying business and management. The Institute of International Education in New York says engineering is the second most popular field. In case you were wondering, Thomas Kors is a professor of marketing and business at the University of Richmond in Virginia. He says international students who want to study business need to have good English skills and not just to study at high school, but to work with more non-native speakers of English than native speakers. A research American working with foreign companies may need to learn some new English skills themselves. At the University of Richmond, team of radio students work with companies seeking to enter the American market. The students learn about writing market entry studies. The reports are written in English, but Professor Kors tells his students to consider who will read them. He said his students have to write the report so that it can be understood by someone who can an English speaker but not a native English speaker. For example, he tells his students avoid jargon and other specialist terms that people may not know in their own language. This can be good advice even when writing for other native speakers, but effective communication involves more than just words. Kay Westerfield is director of the International Business Communication program at the University of Oregon. She says you must have the language skill, cultural intelligence. Cultural intelligence means the need to consider local behavior in everything from simple handshake to speaking to large groups. Still, Kay Westerfield said the ability for foreign workers to speak English is becoming more important to companies looking to move operations to other countries or export it to offshore. Also, she says English skills often provide a competitive edge for business students when they see jobs. She said one business student in West Africa, but English is a lifeline for VOA Learning English.